token of 1 billion. Here. 1,075,050,000
from the headquarters of the world power. Who are we talking about? The United States of America! Make a radical noise unto the Lord! Of the Wanda America! America, Mamanu!
So we are giving a token of
Emmanuel back ilo nasi so Zion ministry bidoro. You got idea? Back will bidoro. The moment in the madonu ude ga 1 billion weekly demons no nime a lot of people. So let us believe that by this time last year, ka all this ilo nasi equal and anyukwa non ebe Zion do bidoro. And let us also take it that now today make it exactly 1 year that Ilonasi bidol. Now today will be the end of that Ilonasi. Because the people to another one today. And in Kehaya to time with the Dabwim. So let us assume that Nanke ni bidologo. Mananketa ye wotudo. I am just assuming Nanketa ye wotudo. Reasons being that at least for a long time, people are where this movement is going. But today, a lot of people understand the go full direction of the permanent site where this movement and this development is going to. At least half go. That now all those money. And when I talk about America, let other branches, that people, because they all contributed immensely to what is happening in Ngopala today. So when we keep talking about America, can the other branches, they did fantastic, very well. They did very well, and every effort of them counted in whatever that is happening today, and everything now will still count immensely to the success we are going to record in Ngopala within the next 1 year before the next 100 days fast and I ministry I Ishi. Now, having said so, they focused more on the 1,075 million last year. So that is why you see us making more reference to that. So today, I don't know what Ndi America is cooking, but I believe that whatever thing they are cooking today is going to bring peace to an Igbo. It's going to consolidate all that we have done all these years. It hasn't been easy. We have defeated, technically, we have defeated them. Most of them are even tired of talking. They are even tired of talking. For the name abandon, give her into other things. Because, I mean, why waste your time? Why you So, having seen that now, people have got direction of at least this 100 days fasting. Amotago something na Igbo. You cannot take it away from Zion. This 100 days, aneme, amotago something na Igbo. Onya better the development that is going on in Ngopala. So, for you, follow Father Shede Unebu, Father Angelo, as your role model of an ideal Christian nation. Since he has also given kudos to what is going on in Ngopala, what stops you from doing that? What stops you from doing that? The mother said a lot of the pastors na East Yeminka, but Okunere was there. And the Bubemonso would have been there if not because no Gabalobodo. And believe me, Reverend Father Ejike Mbakano 100% in support of what is happening there in Ngopala. I believe. I so much believe. So, Achoronka today will BP. Achoronka today will issue one. achọghị ka today nye mmadụ unnecessary undue heart attack. Achọghị ka ife ya eme today na nga ọkpala wota happiness. Ọkwụrụ sị na m aha epirishi udo na m na-ewebata ọgbaghara ngwa. This is my message of peace before ka mmụọ kwa mmiri ya before ozo, because na ama na dete ya aha ka amụma na-egbu igbe and onye enweghị ezigbo obi nwere ike dete nwere ike ikolopụ mmadụ obi. Achọghị ka asị na after the ndị American branch bịa announce their Thanksgiving na Zion taa na ụlọọgwụ Matthias do na Ogidi nwere more than 500 new patients ha rush ebe a because of one heart problem or the other. Let us maintain decorum as we celebrate the consolidation of this development in Ngopala. This is my own message of peace to our brothers in Igbo land. Since many people has accepted what is happening, since people have seen that Zion movement signifies development to Ndi Igbo, it may mean different things to different people. Mama 3G, achorom ka inwe nsogbu obi after today. Achọrọ nke inwe nsogbu obi after today. If not for anything, akwụkwọ nsọ anyị na-agụ kwuru na ọṅụ na-adị n'eluigwe maka otu mkpụrụ obi chegharịrị. So mkpụrụ obi good are very important. Amala ike ndị America tụọ ogbunigwe ha ya atụta within the UK. Mala ike ka ụfọdụ n'ime unu end ya up in one ọrịa obi or the other. Mmadụ anwụgo too much na Igbo ya chọrọzi ọnwụ. Oles na onye kacha zelu zụcha ụmụ ya mechi ifo na-eme ya jebe. So, for the sake of peace and oneness and one love, let us embrace what is going to happen today, because it will help a long way in consolidating the development that has come to Ngobala. Long live all the Zion branches all over who has done very well. They have done exceedingly well. Imagine Imo State branch, 51 million. And the 31 or one guy there with a 20 million. Yes. So I thank all of them immensely well for their contribution and their effort in seeing that what is happening in Ngobala will come into fulfillment. Long live United States of America. Long live UK. Long live all the whole branches, 36 states in Nigeria, Asian countries, and so many other places. African countries, long live all of you, and long live ndị Omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu ndị niile ya si okay na ife a na-eme maka because ụfọdụ nọ silent, their silence speaks volume. Ịghọtago ọgbanụ nkịtị kwere ekwe, ụfọdụ nọ quiet ekwe ekwu okwu. For the fact that na fe nwere ekwere ekwu okwu mean that they na ha fụrụ ife do bad na ife na-eme. Ịghọtago nweka few people ndị na-akwa ka ọkụkọ. Ịghọtago we are hoping that what will happen today, by 1 year ago, we are praying that today, bring about a lasting peace among our people. Long live Federal Republic of Nigeria. Long live Ndi Igbo. Long live Umuchukwu. Umuchineke. Okagade. Dalo na kaikwadowe makana tata very special.